Welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with the Singer 107W102. We're changing the shuttle hook and showing you how to time that. I have already removed the bobbin case, needle plate and needle from the machine for this process. First you'll need to start by taking off this part here. This will unscrew quite easily. It needs to be completely removed. That's this part here. Keep your screw on a piece of fabric so it doesn't become lost. Now, to remove the shuttle, you'll need to come around to the front. Using a smaller size screwdriver, there's a screw inside what looks like another screw. You need to loosen out the middle one. What you'll notice as you unscrew this is the shuttle will start moving outward. I hope you can see that there in the video. Eventually it will come free as such. Now that was held on by the screw that we just unscrewed, but you can take this all the way out. It's quite a long thin screw. Now this is actually a new shuttle. You can tell it's moving very smoothly. So what you'll find, there's two prongs here. When you try to slot your new one in, you'll find it may have resistance and not go all the way. Rotate it till it slots in like so. What you'll see is it's pushed this screw out now. So we need to screw this back in. Now I'm just checking it's going to fit right in. We don't want it to be able to move out as we push it in. There will be some movement in there, but we'll know when it's locked on tight. Still a bit more. Right, now to time, you'll need to add back in your needle. I'm using needle DB1. I suggest using the same, but some of the machines have been modified over the years and you may need a different style number. Make sure your needle goes all the way up and that you have the long groove of the needle at the front before tightening it up. Make sure again that it's all the way up. Now when your needle comes down, right, I can see my timing is completely off. It seems to be at this moment. Let's see when it comes around. It's not too bad. What we're looking for though is that the back groove in the needle, so that's the short groove, is going to be caught, the thread that comes through will actually swipe and loop past the hook as it comes around. Now the way to check this is, as this is a zigzag machine, we need to make sure that the needle is as far to the left. As you can see here, it's starting to move. I need to manually move that around. Can you see here? So take it to as far to the left as you want it to go. And then check your hook position is going to be just above the eye in the back of the needle. So I'm missing it there, as you can see. My timing is out. So we need to adjust this timing because this is coming around a little too slow at this point. So to change the timing, we need to loosen